How to get the eating without triggering the filter on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with finding this filter right here and also the sound, and I'll show you guys from where you can get it and how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go to your TikTok app, go to your profile, and then from there you have to go to home, then click on the right top corner search icon and then search for eating without triggering the filter. So from here, if right next to sounds you will get the filter, then click on that. So here we have the sound. And to use the sound, you just have to click here. After that, you have to go to a video. And then if you don't find the filter here right next to the name, which I don't have, and I will show you how to fix this problem, then we will have to go once again on our profile, then click on those three lines from the right top corner and then go to settings, click on that, then you have to scroll down and then go to report a problem. Then go to videos and sounds at topics. Then you have to go to beauty, filters, effects, and templates. And then click on can't find certain filters / effects. Then you have to follow these steps right here, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear app video cache, restart the app on your device, and make sure you're using the latest version of TikTok. So go to your App Store, Play Store, and update your TikTok app. And if you still don't have your filter, then click on here, is your problem resolved? And we will click on no. Then click on need more help. And then you can add a screenshot here. And here at the top, you will say, hello TikTok team. I don't have the triggering eating without triggering the filter effect or filter. Please solve this problem for me. And then click on submit. And you will receive a reply and some steps of how you can fix this problem in 72 hours. So if you do have problems with this filter, you can comment in the comment section down below. And I'll make sure to help you guys as quickly as possible. You can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, so you can turn on the notification bell and you'll be notified once I'll post another video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.